Hi, this is the trade activity of the orderIT system for November the 27th, 2020. Just going to go over the trades to see the possibilities. We've had two trades and both were short sells. It's technically two sell trades, two short sells were indicated. First trade is BX. That's the Blackstone Group. It tripped at 1125.45 at a price of 60.38. It closed at 60.53 and it was actually up over previous close. So it was moving up. And we can see right around here 1126, which is roughly right around what it traded. It basically reverted, came back up, but you can see the afternoon it came back down, and you can see that it definitely fell way below that tripping price, so that's definitely a positive trade activity. We'll just check to see the analysis to see. And analysis is again showing the same thing. OBV wise, yes, you can see that early morning drop, then that mid-afternoon drop, and then mid-afternoon or late afternoon, I guess, it came back up. MACD showing the same thing. DI showing the same thing. Bollinger Band showing the same thing. It's right across the board. It was somewhat bouncing back and forth, but again, you can see it made a very negative drop in the mid-afternoon, so that's a positive trade. Would have had to monitor, but that's not too difficult because you can see it was actually dropping a good portion of the afternoon. Next trade is SBC, and that is HSBC Holdings PLC. It tripped at 1230.05 at a price of 26.81. It was again a short sell. It closed at 26.89, so above its trading, and it was up from previous close. And it tripped at 1230, so it tripped right around here. But as you can see, 26.92. There it was back here, look. Dropped down. Yeah. It recovered at the end of the day a little bit. But as you can see, the afternoon, it also was for, the afternoon period, it was actually down below the tripping price. So that's the second stock. It's also a positive trade. There was a very good portion of time in the afternoon that it was down below its tripping indication. Check to see what the indicators are showing. I said late afternoon, and that was a mistake because yesterday actually was a half day, so technically that was late morning, the previous one, not late afternoon that was occurring. OBV on this one, again showing late morning. It actually dropped. It was recovering a little bit, but again it was moving a little morning. It actually early morning it was moving sideways. And then early afternoon moving downwards. MACD showing the same thing. DI actually was across the board very much negative for most of the day that it was trading. You can see even late morning, early afternoon, it was actually going negative again, so it was somewhat down across the board. The Bollinger Band showing it was moving down right across the board. Just happened to be that it recovered a little bit in the late morning. So again, another positive trade. So with that, that's actually 100% positive trade for this day. It was a half day because it was day after Thanksgiving in the United States, and obviously not much activity because of it. But you can see the two trades that were identified, both were identified as positive trade, 100%. So very good day. I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much.